Hello! Today we are going to show you 10 ways to make money online. So before we get started, please hit the like button and subscribe so that we can continue to make great content for you. Are you looking for ways to make some extra cash? Looking for a job that will allow you to take charge and work around your own schedule? If you answered yes, then you are in the right place. Here are 10 ways you can make money online. Now before we start, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Our first online job is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. You make money online with affiliate marketing by commission. When you sign up to be an affiliate marketer, you become a publisher. Once you become a publisher for a brand, you will display links to gain potential consumers. As a publisher, you advertise a brand's products through links. When you share or post the link on your website, social media page, or other social media platforms, you make a commission based on the number of clicks or purchases made. Affiliate marketers or publishers can make a lot of cash. Some online publishers who share their success stories on YouTube or personal video blogs have reportedly made over $3,000 or more a month. Just think about that. For every click an advertiser's link gets on your site, or every purchase made through the links you share through the affiliate's product's brand, you earn commission. You can be an affiliate marketing publisher for major retailers like Macy's, Walmart, Ann Taylor, BCBG, and other companies. Rakuten Marketing and Commission Junction are a couple of affiliate marketing companies you can apply to work online as an affiliate publisher. Taking the number 2 spot on our list is no other than Amazon itself. Amazon is the world's e-commerce industry leader. Amazon ranks in more than $4 to $15 billion a year providing e-commerce services, managing its corporate warehouse operations and shipping services. The Amazon name speaks for itself. If you didn't know this already, you can make money online with Amazon. How exactly? There are plenty of online opportunities. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon Mechanical Turk hires freelancers to provide all types of online services. You can get paid for doing simple tasks on Amazon. Tasks such as writing product descriptions, data entry, assisting quality control teams with answering consumer questions, assist consumers with sales, shipping inquiries, work at home as a customer service agent, and you can also get paid to provide other services for Amazon. And another task that you can do right now is hitting that like and subscribe button. Number 3 on our list of online money-making jobs is a blogger. Have you ever thought about writing or sharing videos about some of your favorite hobbies, cooking tips, art, graphic designs, travel, and wellness tips with the entire social media community? Well, you can. Writing or recording a blog can help you earn dollars. How? It's simple. YouTube is one of the most popular video content sharing platforms. When you create a video blog and publish the content to go live online, you bring in viewers who are interested in your topic. The more readers or viewers you gain, the opportunity you will have to add advertising content or affiliate links to your blog so that you can earn income. Bloggers and YouTube creators are reportedly making more than $40,000 to $50,000 a year. Remember, when you first start out as a blogger or YouTube video creator, do not expect to make $40,000 or more a year right away. It takes time to build your audience. However, some bloggers and video creators who are beginners have made an estimated amount of $300 to $400 a month. Most bloggers and video creators use social media platforms to share their content too. Using social media to increase your audience will help you grow your content over time. Are you ready for our next online job pick? Before we move on, don't forget to hit that like button below and subscribe. Number 4 is an online customer service representative. There are lots of companies that hire customer service representatives to work from home. Amazon, PayPal, retail stores, wireless carriers, cable television companies, technical support giants such as Microsoft, Apple, Dell, FedEx, or UPS. There are thousands of online customer support specialist positions. Healthcare insurance agencies hire employees to work from home such as support representatives too. Want to learn how you can land a job as a work-from-home customer or technical support agent? We provide a list of companies who are currently hiring customer service agents to work from home at the end of this video. E-commerce is our number 5 make money online job. E-commerce sales was introduced a couple of years after Amazon and eBay were founded. E-commerce is still one of the best ways to make continuous cash online. Shopify, eBay, Amazon, Letgo, Poshmark, Tradesy, and Etsy are just a few of the e-commerce sites where sellers can sell their products, goods, or services online. You can sell handmade items, clothes, shoes, electronics, home goods, or accessories. If you have used items that are in good condition lying around the house, why not sell those unwanted items and make some cash? If you build your own e-commerce site, you can increase your profits by 10% or more. Another way you can make more money in e-commerce sales is through drop shipping. Here's how drop shipping works. You partner with a wholesale company that sells items at wholesale prices. You establish an account, create your e-commerce site with the products the seller purchased from the wholesale warehouse to sell. When the seller makes a sale, the wholesale company you partnered with as an e-commerce member will receive a notification that a sale was made on your site. The wholesale company prepares and ships your items for you to your buyers. Convenient, right? Here is our number 6 online money-making job. Now don't forget to hit that like button and remember to subscribe. The number 6 pick is Fine Art America. You can sell your art, photography, images, or graphic designs online. You can make money as an artist, photographer, or graphic designer. If you want to sell your artwork, you can post your art on fineartamerica.com. Fine Art America welcomes artists all over the world to sell images of their individual art. If you do not want to sell the original art piece that you created, Fine Art America can sell a printed copy of your art on canvas to potential art enthusiasts. It's a simple process. First, create an account on fineartamerica.com. Take a clear, good image of your art with a high-resolution camera. Upload the image online and voila! A copy of your art is ready to sell on canvas and ship to potential buyers. Depending on which website you use to sell your art, some art websites may have restrictions. Some restrictions are applied to protect the artist's work. Make sure you review the site you are selling your art on to ensure you meet all the guidelines. You can use your artwork or graphic designs to create personalized t-shirts, mugs, blankets, tote bags, and hats. Zazzle.com and CafePress are 2 websites that artists or graphic designers use to print and sell their artwork on items online. So why not be creative and make money at the same time? Photographers make money online selling their images on stock photography sites. If the image you posted on the stock photography site sells, you make a commission or earn a bid amount you set for making the sale. Number 7 on our list is a freelance writer. Have you thought about making money working from home online as a virtual assistant, accountant, ghostwriter, editor, social media content manager, course writer, or data entry processor? As a freelance writer, you can make anywhere between $12,000 to $50,000 a year. The numbers are just an estimate and a result of income made from freelancers who share their online money-making success stories. At the end of the video, we provide a list of websites you can use to work online as a freelance writer and make money from the comfort of your own home. Here is our 8th online money-making job: Online Marketing Consultant. A marketing consultant assists a business with marketing, advertising, and networking to help a business promote their brand. If this online job interests you, research companies or small businesses in your area or online may benefit from the services you provide. It helps to have experience in marketing and doesn't really require a degree. All you need is the ability to show how passionate you are about helping a business achieve the exposure for their brand and remain consistent with the company's expectations. To get started, you can submit a proposal or a letter to a business that interests you the most. Allow the client to see your potential and arrange a meeting or conduct an interview online. You want your client to be impressed. If you are selected or hired to help build the client's brand, you can establish a great amount of income. Some businesses do not want to fail and will do anything to ensure that they hire a consultant with expertise to grow their brand. We are almost at the end. Our next online money-making job is an online tutor. Providing tutoring services online can be rewarding. You do need to be patient, compassionate, proficient, and knowledgeable with the subject or topics you are providing tutoring services for. Tutor.com provides tutoring services for more than 1 million customers. As an online tutor, you will be working with clients of all ages. All you need is a computer with a video camera so that you can interact with your client face-to-face. When you sign up to be a tutor, you will help online students with homework assignments, subject content, language, learning concepts, and writing academic projects. Our last online job is a website designer. Website designers can make more than $1,500 to design a website. You can go to freelance sites like Upwork.com and bid on website design jobs. Although online freelance websites may have a lot of web design jobs posted that you can apply for, you can create your own website to market your design services. If you have the experience creating websites, building software, and building apps, you can create your own schedule, work from home, and earn lots of income. We have reached the end of our video. We thank you for watching. Use the references we provided at the end of the video to research more online jobs. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe.